I am Dr. Chengele Barta, and I am an Associate Professor of Plant Biology at Missouri Western State University. Plant biodiversity is being lost at an unprecedented rate. It is estimated that of the about 400,000 plant species across the world known to us at this time, at least 25% are now threatened with extinction. Today, human impact-driven habitat loss, biological invasions, and the uncontrolled spread of invasive species are the leading causes of native species biodiversity loss at local, regional, and global scales. Plant biodiversity underpins the functioning of all ecosystems, which in turn provide the fundamental support systems and ecosystem services upon which all life depends. These may include carbon sequestration, climate regulation, or nutrient cycling, while plants also provide us with many direct benefits and products such as food, medicine, clothing, shelter, and many products essential to our society as we know it. Therefore, the record rate of native biodiversity decline is particularly alarming. Preventing, detecting, controlling, and managing the potential losses in native biodiversity are at the foundation for restoration and rehabilitation efforts. Faculty scientists, the biology, earth, and environmental sciences focused undergraduate student population and programs, the specialized program in wildlife conservation and management, and student society members of the Department of Biology at Missouri Western State University are at the forefront of active regional and national efforts directed towards recovering and maintaining key flora and fauna species for ecosystem and biodiversity restoration. With its over 700-acre territory, featuring many lush wilderness areas, outdoor spaces, creeks, trail systems, ponds, outdoors amphitheater and learning spaces, as well as a recently dedicated, re-established 27-acre conservation prairie, the John Russian Teaching and Learning Prairie, Missouri Western and its beautiful campus is the cradle of over 20 field-based student-faculty research projects, many in collaboration with experts of the Missouri Department of Conservation, whose regional Northwest office is also located on our campus. Field and habitat conservation and restoration efforts are also complemented by the numerous indoor research projects focusing on the ex situ conservation of rare and endangered plants, insects, reptiles, birds, amphibians, mammals, and many other organisms, conducted in numerous research laboratories equipped with cutting-edge tools for molecular biochemistry, organismal, and small-scale environmental studies. In addition, the Department of Biology is also home to the renowned Leo Galloway Research Herbarium, housing over 4,000 preserved plant specimens as records of regional plant biodiversity changes over time and serving as raw materials for evolutionary studies, underpinning efforts in rare and endangered species restoration, recovery, and future preservation. In addition to the herbarium, the Joe Gray Natural History Collection of fauna specimens provides the same opportunities for research involving insects, mammals, birds, and offering opportunities for the integration of paleo and earth science collections with the biological facets of conservation. The Biology Department's climate-controlled greenhouse is also home to a living plant collection meant to preserve, propagate, and maintain threatened and endangered species prior to their establishment in their native areas. The greenhouse also serves studies focusing on aspects of native and invasive species competition and research designed to better understand native species' responses to a changing environment, climate, and human impacts. All of these projects, developed by Missouri Western State University undergraduate students and their mentoring faculty within the frame of university and department-sponsored initiatives, such as the Summer and Gold Fridays Portal Research, converge towards the common goal of addressing many of the current and pressing challenges and key questions in regional and global flora and fauna conservation, management, native habitat restoration, and species recovery. To date, these research efforts at Missouri Western State University brought highly significant contributions and earned national and international recognition for the university and its students and faculty for regional and global efforts in native biodiversity and key species restoration and management. Our Missouri Western State University undergraduate Griffins and their faculty mentors are always proud to present and share their work at many national and international forums to support conservation and connect into the global network of experts whose relentless work is essential in preserving our healthy environment, in particular in the face of challenges posed by a changing climate for the future generation. Today, join us in celebrating together World Wildlife Day and make an effort to preserve our priceless natural biodiversity together.